So today we're putting two AI short form editors head to head, Opus Clip and Vidyo.AI. Both promise to turn your long videos into viral shorts in seconds, but only one actually delivers clean. Ready to post results? Let's find out which one it is. Here's the thing. Both tools claim to do the same job, find the best moments in your videos and edit them automatically. However, after using them side by side, I noticed something you won't see on their website. One AI finds your clips, the other understands them. So for Opus Clip, you can choose long to short videos, AI captions, video editor, enhanced speech option, AI reframe, AI B-roll, and also AI hook. For video AI, you can select AI subtitles, you can edit AI videos, brand kit, and also social media scheduling. Don't skip this next part, it's where the real difference shows. Opus Clip focuses on speed. Once you upload, wait a minute or two and get 5 to 10 viral style clips with captions and reframing already done. Video AI takes a little bit longer, but it gives you deeper customization like choosing highlight keywords, layout styles, and even dynamic subtitles. So if you want done for you automation, Opus wins. If you want creative control, Video AI takes it. In short, Opus Clips is perfect if you want fast, social ready clips that need little editing. Video AI is better if you want to fine tune every frame and match your brand's look. Both are very solid. It really depends on how hands on you want to be. Now, you've seen how these stack up. I'll show you my workflow that combines both using Opus and quick generation and Video AI.